In the morning, when the sun is shining bright, we gather round to talk about things that's right. It's a safety first start meeting. We gotta make it a habit to keep ourselves safe. Yeah, we gotta grab it. We talk about hazards, we talk about risks. We gotta make sure we don't take any risks. It's all about safety from the start till the end. We gotta protect ourselves, our safety we defend. Safety goggles on, shoes tied up tight.